Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, that is AutoCAD 2D drafting exercise number 8, we will study how to prepare this geometry. Now as usual, before we start with the geometry, we'll try to study how we are going to proceed with this geometry. So we'll begin from here by drawing a vertical line of 20 units, horizontal line of 30 units, vertical line of 50 units, and we'll go on in the same way and construct the outer geometry. Then we'll fillet the corners with a radius of 5, and then we'll draw these 3 circles of 20 dia. We'll put the center marks, we'll finish with dimensioning. So let me show you how you can do that. First, I'll pan the drawing a bit to the left. Now I'll use the line command of AutoCAD, and we'll use this as a tracking point, and we'll move to the left somewhere over here, and we'll click over here and move upwards 20 units, then to the right 30 units, then on the top 50 units, then to the left 30 units, then at the bottom 20 units, then to the left 40 units, then on the top 20 units, then to the left 30 units, then bottom 50 units, then to the right 30 units, then bottom 20 units, then we'll just close it with the starting point. So we type C for close, and we close the starting point. Now, before we fillet the corners, we'll draw these circles of 20 dia. Now you can see the center point of this circle is the center of this line, because this line is 50, so this is 25, and the center of this line, because this line is 30 and this distance is 15. So we'll use the tracking point of this line and this point to draw the circle of 20 dia. So we'll select circle and we'll select center diameter. Then we'll click on the center point of this and the center point of this, and we'll move down. We'll click over here and give the diameter as 20 units and hit enter. Then we will mirror this object. So we say mirror. We select the object, we hit enter, we give the first line, we give the second, and we hit enter. Now to draw the third circle, you can see it's again the center point of this line and the edge of this. So again we use center diameter, we use the center point of this and the end point of this. We come over here, we click over here and give the dia as 20 and hit enter. Now we will fillet the edges. So we type the fillet command of AutoCAD, R for radius, give the radius as 5 units, and then click on this line and this line, again fillet, click on this line and this line, again fillet, click on this line and this line, and again fillet, click on this line and this line. Then we select all the objects. We go into line properties and increase the thickness to 0.30. Then we use the CM, that is center mark command, and give the center mark to this, this and this circle, and hit enter to end the center mark command. Now we'll proceed with the dimensioning. So we select linear dimensioning, end point of this, center point of this, 15 units. Again linear dimensioning, end point of this, 30 units. Again linear dimensioning, end point of this, 40 units. Again linear dimensioning, end point of this, 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, center point of this, and we'll match it with this, that is 15. Then again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, and it is 100 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, center point of this circle, 25 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, 50 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, and it is 70 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, and it is 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, center point of this, and it is 20 units. Again, linear dimensioning, center point of this, end point of this, and it is 20 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, 40 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, and end point of this, and it is 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning, end point of this, end point of this, and it is 20 units. Then radius we want, so we select radius, we click over here, and we give the radius as 5. Finally, we want a leader based dimensioning, so we select leader and we turn the snap off. We click on the border of this circle. We turn the ortho off as well. And we click over here. And we give the symbol of diameter. Then we type 20 into 3. We can select the text and instead of 4, we can make it 2.5, hit enter. And then close the editor and we are done. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. I would urge you to download the practice file which I have given you in the description of this video and practice the same drawing. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.